So here's a quick demonstration on the quickest and most space-saving method on folding a short sleeve t-shirt. Now this is my secret and my secret only, but I wanted to share it with you, so check this out. Stay tuned for the tutorial. So here's a quick demonstration on how to quickly fold your short sleeve shirt. Now you want to take the distance between here and find the middle point. If you trace this all the way down, this is another point. And then if you trace the middle between these 2 points, which is about right here, that's your second point actually. So you want to grab this, make sure you're grabbing both layers, go over your hand, grab this portion, both layers, pick the shirt up, shake it out, lay it down, and lay it over. Now, if you want to actually take it to a step further, you can go ahead and flip this over and go ahead and start rolling this up like this. And there you have a space-saving version of the same exact method.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.